Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. And the